To make 2 Italian olive pizzas, first wash your hands. Then weigh strong white bread flour and pop it into a bowl. Add fast-acting dried yeast, salt and sugar. Measure warm water into a cup. Add olive oil to the water. Now pour this into a bowl and mix everything together to make a dough. You'll need to use your hands for this. Tip the mixture out onto a clean, floured worktop and push and pull the dough until it comes together. This is called kneading. Wipe around the bowl with some oil. Put the dough back into the bowl, cover it with a clean tea towel and leave it to rise in a warm place. Whilst the dough is rising, use a sieve to drain tinned plum tomatoes. Tip the tomatoes into a bowl and carefully chop them up with scissors. Once the dough is risen, tip it onto a floured worktop and cut it in half. Each half will make one large pizza. Knead one half of the dough into a ball and stretch it out to make a pizza base. Now spread half of the tomatoes onto the base, tear up some black olives and add them to the pizza. And do the same with mozzarella cheese and put half on each pizza. Now place the pizza onto an oiled baking tray and ask a grown-up to put it in the oven for you. Add fresh basil for decoration and taste and use the rest of the ingredients to make another pizza. This is a My World Kitchen Amber recipe to be eaten occasionally.